Crypto? Welcome back to another video. Bro, last video I talked about how like my side hustle is doing good, and bro, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm getting really close to a point where I can start teaching people, because before I start teaching people, bro, I gotta gain some experience myself, you know what I mean? So that's what I've been focusing on, is just gaining more experience before I try to teach people. But I'm really excited, man. Like, there's so many ways to make money in this world. Like, one thing I did really realize is that crypto took a little break, I've noticed. My valves up real quick. I noticed that crypto took a break, and the reason why I know that is because like for like months, bro, like crypto barely moved. Like, it was day trading central. And bro, there's one crypto I was looking at, it was named Solana, and I bought it at like 10 shares, $10 a share. It's at freaking like 50, and it pumped like 10 in a single day. Like, what is that, bro? Like, crypto's pumping really nice, and I wouldn't even be looking at Bitcoin or Ethereum, dude. I would look at freaking other stocks, like other cryptos that are good, not like Dogecoin. These people hate me here. The way they look at me, bro, is like they want to murder me. It's because this is like a residential, that's probably why. But this road's like, the speed limit's freaking high. Man, a lot of people are out, bro. I noticed that after COVID, dude, everyone just started going on walks and stuff. I noticed that for sure. Also, OG Fortnite has been so fun, dude. I've been grinding it out. The best part about like what I'm gonna be talking about soon, and what I'm gonna plan to teach you guys about, like, my goal is to really get serious and like start a Discord server, so I can, you know, when I'm in it, when I'm doing it, because everyone can do it. I know I'm like super broad with it because I really want to make sure like I master it, and I've been doing really freaking good. I've been consistent for like 28 days in a row, but pretty much I want to make sure like I want to, you know, a lot of people like are not in my situation, right? But there's so many different ways to make money. The only issue is that you have to spend a couple years building like liquid. Oh shit, I'm like in the middle of the road. You gotta spend a couple years building liquid. Get rich like really quick. Honestly, dude, you're gonna most likely lose your money. So that's why, like, if you guys ever want to get into like what I'm gonna get into, basically like to even start, you need at least 25,000. And if you don't have 25,000, you can practice and learn, but just for our past experience, dude, you can just make like rookie mistakes, and you're gonna want to risk more because you don't have as much invested, and eventually you can keep risking more and more until you don't have any left. And I've experienced it myself, that's why I say this. So in other words, man, like it's obviously gonna still take grind, whether it's my job or, but you can, you know, let's say somebody that works at Starbucks. I know people that work at Starbucks, in like 6 months, dude, they save up like 25K. And that's not bad. Like, that's pretty good working at Starbucks. Like, it took me, for how many years, for the past 2 years I've been working my butt off, dude, I've wasted a lot of money and lost a lot of money. And it would have been literally better for me just like it would have been the same thing working at Starbucks for how much money I spent. So moral of the story, dude, is like you have to just keep grinding and keep learning. And the skills that anyone can do, if anyone has the opportunity to do it, it's most likely gonna be harder to become like good at it, just because everyone can do it. So I noticed this about everything, bro. It's like survival of the fittest. Like, you have, the more time you spend, the more time you practice, the higher chance you have of making like good plays, good wins, getting good wins. Because the thing that I've been doing, it's pretty much like I guess like the moral of the story is obviously stocks, but making enough money where I'm making more than my job. You know, that's like basically what I'm trying to do. And I'm actually making almost the same as what I'm making at my job, but my goal is to be like way more than that before I start teaching anyone. But I finally got my rhythm, dude. I finally got it. So I'm hyped, dude. Like, it took me like a year and a half to finally get my flow and see what works for me. Like, that's how much experimenting you have to do. It's crazy, man. So in other words, dude, you have to learn to freaking fail. You gotta love failure. And I noticed that when I was playing Fortnite this week, dude, like, I was failing so much. People that play video games, dude, they have so much potential because they're so used to failing so much until they succeed, right? You have to keep dying, keep losing until eventually you're freaking winning games for like days. I remember when I first started playing Fortnite, dude, I couldn't win a single game. I couldn't win a single game, bro. And then out of nowhere, me and my homies started getting back-to-back wins. I remember one time we had like a 10-win streak. Moral of the story, dude. Moral of the story is you have to be willing to lose, man. Like willing to lose over and over and over and over until you freaking win eventually. Sheesh, bro. So I think I'm gonna get pretty serious about it, and I'm still gonna be doing POV videos. You know, my goal with the money I make is just to buy more cars, honestly. My goal is to just keep buying more until literally I have every car I dream about. And obviously the end goal is like an SVJ and like a Ferrari, like a nice Ferrari. But you know, we'll see what happens, man. I'm gonna keep grinding. My priority isn't cars exactly because cars depreciate, but I'm trying to enjoy my life, bro. You don't know when your freaking last day is, and plus with all these rumors of wars, who freaking knows, man. Hit the chiropractor real quick. The sun's going down pretty freaking quick, dude. It's like, it kind of sucks because I can't record. Usually I'd be recording like at 7 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. Now it's like, bro, 5 p.m. Sun's already coming down. So I'll probably just finish up the video real quick. But pretty much, dude, like, I'm hyped, bro. I'm hyped. Even though I'm trading stocks, there's still so much more I'm gonna do other than just that. So we're gonna see, bro. Sheesh, bro. Pop, baby, pop. Come on. The whine, man. I just can't wait to get an M5 though. M5's coming up next, dude. Having this and an M5, it's gonna be so amazing, bro. But my dream car, honestly, that's like realistic. Hold on. Bro, the burbles are so nice. My dream car, honestly, is like a Hellcat. The way it sounds. I saw Vontae got that, dude. I was like, oh, bro, that's like the perfect car. Like, I know you can get those for like 200 or something like that, 200 something used. And I'm like, bro, you know, if I can start making if I can start making like 400K a year, I'm sending it. So I'm definitely far away, but since I am making like around 300-400 now on the side hustle, that's basically, well, I don't do it on the weekends, but if you do that, if you make 300 something per day, it's like 100K a year. So we're pushing, bro. We're getting closer. So we're gonna freaking see, man. But pretty much, dude, everything I say in these videos is just, I really hope it pushes you guys to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Try to keep learning. There's an opportunity for everything, and honestly, out of all things, becoming a YouTuber is, holy crap, becoming a YouTuber is cool, man, but I'm gonna be honest, it's harder doing YouTube than doing these other things on these other side hustles. Like, just the grind you have, like everything you imagine about YouTube, like, you don't make that much money, bro. Like, I have a video with like 10K views, only like $60. Like, bro, what is that? Getting 10K views consistently is so hard. I'm only making like 60 bucks. Dude, I made more in one day trading stocks than I did in 1 month of YouTube. Think about that, guys. Think about that. So I'm trying to push you guys to the next, like, to really push yourself, but just don't do YouTube. And if you're gonna do YouTube, do it as like you play video games or watch TikTok. Like, do not rely on it even a little bit. I'm doing it purely just for fun. And obviously, if something comes with it, it's even better, right? Even better. But it takes grind. It's not like you just sit around and do nothing. Like, it takes hustle. It takes consistency, right? You have to, even when things are hard, you're arguing your peeps, you gotta get out, make videos. No matter how you feel, you gotta make videos. So, and it's not that hard, it's not that bad, but with time, dude, it's gonna get to you. Like, so that's why I always keep telling you guys, like, just keep working hard, keep trying to learn new things every single freaking day. There's so many ways to make money. There's ways to make money in every single freaking industry. So just keep hustling. And of course, bro, we've been flipping cars, and there's so many good deals. Like going off road, bro. Find a car that's cheap, freaking clean it up, sell it for like 2K. Boom, you made 2K in like a 2-week process. Like, come on, dude. Low, like, and not even stressful either. So, dude, there's money to be made, guys. I will say though, flipping cars is pretty easy, and I definitely recommend it. But just be very patient and just don't over leverage. To the gym right now. Tomorrow I'm gonna film another video and film my gym session with my homies, so tomorrow's gonna be a vibe. But health is wealth, boys. So at the end of the day, making money, learning a lot, learning everything's awesome, but be close with family, you know, have love for your family, and you know, work on your body, stay healthy. That's what's #1 priority. Money's cool, buying things is cool, but the people around you is what matters, man. I haven't seen Tall Guy in a minute, but I can't believe Tall Guy reviews comes to my freaking gym. It's such a vibe. But like I said, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.